We're all from somewhere. Me, I'm from warm and sunny Tampa, Florida. It's where I grew up, where my parents raised me, and where I met the girl of my dreams. We loved Tampa way before Tom ever did. It's an incredible place to live, filled with all of the people we love, but we moved away and began a new home in a new town, Jackson, Mississippi. The first place we called home together. It's where we took our first jobs and then left them, where we rented a spot and then bought a new one, where we felt so alone and then found our people, where we added a family member and then another one.
Pregnant! Oh!
It's not always sunny, it's not always warm, but it's our hometown now, and it's where our life truly began.
It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like this. I've never known a love like this.
We're gonna have a baby.
No.
Oh, we're gonna have a baby. We're gonna have a baby. A baby. A baby. Wait, can I jump? How does pregnancy work?
Ease up.
How does pregnancy